Did you just do it? Mom! Hi, I'm Jalen, and I'm making a channel, and this is my first time making a channel, and I just have all of these dishes, so I didn't know what to do with them, so I just wanted to make a channel. So, let me introduce you to all my pots and pans. We have a straightener, a pan, we have another pan, we have bowls, we have more bowls, we have little thingies, and we have plates, and we have my oven, and we have my clampers, and we have oil, and these, and we have my silverware, we have my different kind of pan, but that has to go in there, and then we have cups, and then we have all kinds of stuff for cooking, and then we have my poppers where I put on my hands, and then over here we have all my cooking stuff. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be making Mexican corn, and these are all my ingredients. I have oil, I have chili powder, I have Mexican corn, and I have
Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan cheese, thank you, Crazy. And then we have mayonnaise. And I'm gonna go get them prepped. Okay. I'm trying to, I can't flick. This finger's red. Okay. Switch that over. I'm gonna use this knife to cut this corn off this cob. Wait. So I'm gonna take this knife to cut this corn off the. What was it?
Cob.
Cob. Now that I'm prepped, let's get cooking.
And explain what you're doing.
So I'm adding the oil, and then once this does it, just a little bit. Oh. Wait till it heats up.
Whoa. I'm still videoing when I dropped it.
What age did you guys start cooking? Comment down below. So now we're gonna add the corn. Alright, now that we put it in the pan, let's start stirring it. Make sure you guys give this 10 million subscribers in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, if you guys did that, then comment down below. Alright, now we're going to add the seasoning. So let's do a little bit of this. Drop. Stir it. Right, now let's add some of this. Stir it. I on and accidentally on the blue one. I used the blue thing to on and accidentally. I on and accidentally started with that thing. That measuring thing. Smells good already. Now we're gonna use this little one. I'm gonna grab a little bit and we're just gonna season it on. Alright. Now let's hit stir into the tin. Alright. So, when you're done stirring, actually, never mind. So now I'm gonna plate it. So let's grab our plates. I'm only gonna grab 2 plates, because actually, just gonna grab some of these 2. Okay, let's turn that on. Off. Okay. Next, let's pour it in the plates. Okay, let's pour it in here. Alright, now let's get the spoons. Grab 2. 2. Do that. Alright, since we didn't eat those 2, let's put them up with the other plates. And there you go. You have corn. Subscribe if you liked my cooking video.